How to log in to Valora Wallet account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Valora Wallet account. In order to do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on it. And once you have done that, open your Valora Wallet application on your mobile device, and once you open the application, you will be taken to this home page. Here you will be able to see two different options at the bottom. Here, since we are going to log into your account, so tap on I have a wallet. Now you will be taken to this page. You will need to scroll down, review all the terms and informations given here, and then tap on accept button at the very bottom. Now you will be prompted to enter your security PIN. Enter your PIN. You will need to enter it once again to secure your account. And after that, you will be taken to this page. Here, if you would like to turn on fingerprint recognition, simply tap on turn on fingerprint and then place your fingerprint in order to add it. And after that, you will be taken to this page. Here, you will need to restore your wallet. For that, choose one of these options based on your preference. Here I am selecting recovery phrase. Tap on from recovery phase, and then here you will need to enter the 12-word recovery phase of your Valora wallet. Now once you have entered your recovery phase, tap on the restore button at the very bottom, and then it will start verifying the recovery phrase. Here a pop-up will appear. If you haven't added any funds, it will show you this wallet doesn't have any funds. Would you still like to use it or not? Simply tap on use wallet and wait for a few seconds. After that, you will be able to see you have successfully logged in to your Valora wallet account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Valora wallet account, and now you can start using it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.